diagram of a model rocket and is a two-dimensional scale drawing of the actual. The length of the model rocket is 2.5 feet, and the wingspan is 1.25 feet. If the length of the actual rocket is 184 feet, use an equation to find the wingspan of the actual rocket. The new length is 2.5. The actual length is 184. The new wingspan is 1.25, and the actual wingspan is unknown. To solve for these, cross multiply and then divide. Then determine what x is. Don't forget that this is measured in feet. Put your answer once you finish.